Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us struggle with, snacking. But fear not, because I've got you covered with some delicious and healthy snack ideas that will not only help you with weight loss but also provide a much-needed energy boost. So let's get started. The importance of healthy snacking. Before we jump into the snacks, let's quickly talk about why healthy snacking is essential. Snacking can be a great way to keep your metabolism active throughout the day, prevent overeating during meals, and provide an energy boost when those afternoon slumps hit. Balanced snack components. When choosing a healthy snack, it's crucial to focus on balance. Aim for a combination of protein, healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients. This will help keep you satiated and energized until your next meal. Nutritious snack ideas. Alright, let's dive into the fun part, the snack ideas. Remember, portion control is vital, even when it comes to healthy snacks. 1. Greek yogurt parfait. Start with a base of Greek yogurt, which is rich in protein. Add some fresh berries for a dose of antioxidants and natural sweetness. Top it off with a sprinkle of nuts or granola for some healthy fats and crunch. 2. Veggie sticks with hummus. Cut up colorful veggie sticks like carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers. Pair them with a serving of hummus, which provides protein and healthy fats. 3. Apple slices with nut butter. Slice up a crisp apple and pair it with your favorite nut butter. Nut butters are a great source of healthy fats, while the apple adds fiber and natural sweetness. 4. Rice cakes with avocado. Spread some mashed avocado on whole grain rice cakes. Avocado is packed with nutrients and healthy fats, making this a fantastic option for a quick and filling snack. 5. Smoothie bowl. Blend together your favorite fruits, a handful of spinach or kale, Greek yogurt, and a splash of almond milk. Pour it into a bowl and top with nuts, seeds, and some additional fruit for a refreshing and nutritious snack. Healthy snacking tips. Before we wrap up, here are some quick tips to make your snacking even healthier. 1. Prepare snacks in advance. Plan and prep your snacks ahead of time, so you're not tempted to grab unhealthy options on the go. 2. Stay hydrated. Sometimes, thirst can masquerade as hunger. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. 3. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's hunger cues. Snack when you genuinely feel hungry, not out of boredom or stress. And there you have it. A variety of tasty and healthy snack ideas to help you with weight loss and keep your energy levels up. Remember, it's all about making mindful choices and finding snacks that work best for you and your dietary needs. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more health and wellness content. As always, I'd love to hear your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy and snack smart.